Okay, this next move that we're going to be going over from the close guard is the flower sweep. Another high percentage move from close guard, sweeping the guy, try to come up on top. Okay, again, gonna have right hand grip, one hand on the sleeve right here. What I'm gonna do here, again, I'm gonna pull down, bring my knees to my chest, and try to break his posture, just like this. As I break his posture, okay, I'm gonna hold here, and then he's gonna start posturing up. As he's posturing up, I'm gonna hold him like this, okay, with my left hand. This hand's gonna reach up, and I'm gonna grab the outside of his pants, okay, not 4 fingers, the outside, like that. Okay, you can either grip, what I call the normal grip, or pistol grip, like that. Okay, just get a good bite cloth, making sure not 4 fingers are in. As he's I'm holding him down. As he's posturing up, okay, I'm gonna let go. He's gonna spring up. I'm gonna grab his sleeve. Okay, I need to do this kind of quick. As he springs up, okay, boom, he springs up. I'm gonna take my left foot, keeping my knee pinched, put it on the floor, stomp on the floor, lift my hip up, and at the same time kick my leg straight and punch it against his shoulder blade right here. As I punch my leg up, so here, boom, punch my leg, my arm up like this, and come up, hip in, and up in the mount position. Let's go a little bit this way, or a little bit here. Okay, one time. Okay, so this has to be kind of quick here. Okay, once you get good at this, you can start setting it up. Punch, lift, and kick, punch my arm up this way. Okay, so again, break his posture, hold. As he's coming up, I'm holding him, re-gripping. Okay, I'm gonna let go, grip, punch up, boom, hip in, come up to the mount. One time. This time, let's go this way. Just move a little bit. Here. Boom. Hold. He's posturing up. Grip. Boom. Kick up. Boom. This way. Push it up, grip, push up. And that's flower sweep from close guard.